Welcome back, and thank you for being here. Take a deep breath, relax your shoulders, and let your skin unwind. This is your time for gentle care, deep cleansing, and healthy skin renewal. Step 1. Preparing the skin. Before we begin, make sure your hands are clean. Clean hands protect your skin from unwanted bacteria and irritation. Tie your hair back and gently splash your face with lukewarm water. This helps open the pores and prepares your skin for cleansing. Step 2. Gentle facial cleanser. Apply a small amount of gentle facial cleanser to your fingertips. Using slow, circular motions, massage the cleanser onto your skin. Start from the forehead, move to the cheeks, then the nose and chin. Avoid harsh pressure. Let the cleanser do the work, not your hands. Breathe slowly as dirt, oil, and makeup residue melt away. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Step 3. Steam therapy. Optional. Steam helps soften blackheads and loosen impurities deep inside the pores. Lean your face over warm steam for 3 to 5 minutes. Close your eyes and relax. If your skin is sensitive, keep a safe distance from steam. Step 4. Exfoliation. Apply a mild exfoliator to damp skin. Gently massage in circular motions, especially around the nose and chin. This removes dead skin cells and promotes healthy cell renewal. Do not scrub aggressively. Gentle care prevents irritation. Rinse completely and feel the smoothness of refreshed skin. Step 5. Blackhead and pore care. Now focus on areas with visible blackheads. Using clean tools or fingers wrapped in tissue, apply light pressure only if needed. Never force extractions. If a blackhead does not come out easily, leave it for another session. Healthy skin requires patience, not pressure. Step 6. Toner application. Apply an alcohol-free toner using a cotton pad or clean hands. Gently press it into the skin. Toner tightens pores, balances pH, and prepares skin for hydration. Let it absorb naturally. Step 7. Acne treatment, if needed. If you have acne or active breakouts, apply a targeted treatment. Use only a small amount. Tap gently on affected areas. Avoid overuse to prevent dryness or sensitivity. Step 8. Hydrating serum. Now it's time for deep hydration. Apply a few drops of serum to your fingertips. Press it gently into the skin. Serums deliver nutrients deep into the skin layers, improving texture and glow. Take a moment to relax and breathe. Step 9. Moisturizer. Choose a moisturizer suitable for your skin type. Apply evenly across the face and neck. Use upward strokes to support skin elasticity. Moisturizer locks in hydration and protects the skin barrier. Step 10. Eye care. Use a small amount of eye cream. Gently tap around the eye area using your ring finger. This area is delicate and needs extra care. Never rub or pull the skin. Step 11. Sunscreen. Daytime routine. If this is a daytime routine, finish with sunscreen. Apply generously to protect against UV damage, dark spots, and premature aging. Sunscreen is essential, even on cloudy days. Step 12. Final relaxation. Take a deep breath. Feel your skin calm, clean, and refreshed. Consistent skincare builds long-term results. Be gentle, be patient, and let your skin heal naturally. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Your skin deserves care, balance, and love. Step 13. Neck cleansing. Do not forget the neck area. Apply a small amount of cleanser or leftover product to your neck. Use gentle upward strokes. The neck shows signs of aging quickly and deserves equal care. Step 14. Jawline massage. Using your fingertips, massage along the jawline. Move from the chin toward the ears. This helps release tension and improve circulation. Slow, rhythmic movements are key. Step 15. Forehead relaxation. Place your fingers at the center of your forehead. Gently glide outward toward the temples. Repeat slowly to relax expression lines and stress buildup. Step 16. Temple pressure point. Apply light pressure on both temples. Hold for a few seconds, then release. This step promotes relaxation and reduces facial tension. Step 17. Nose deep clean focus. Massage the sides of the nose using circular motions. This area collects oil and blackheads easily. Be gentle to avoid redness or irritation. Step 18. Chin and mouth area care. Clean and massage around the chin and mouth. This area is prone to acne due to hormonal activity. Use slow, controlled movements. Step 19. Second rinse. Rinse your face again with lukewarm water. Ensure no product residue remains on the skin. Leftover residue can clog pores and cause breakouts. Step 20. Cold water splash. Finish rinsing with a splash of cool water. Cool water helps tighten pores and refresh the skin. Pat dry with a clean, soft towel. Step 21. Skin assessment. Take a moment to observe your skin. Notice redness, dryness, or active breakouts. Understanding your skin helps guide proper treatment. Step 22. Calming mist or essence. Spray a calming facial mist or apply a hydrating essence. This step soothes the skin and restores moisture balance. Allow it to absorb naturally. Step 23. Barrier repair serum. Apply a barrier repair or calming serum. Focus on sensitive or irritated areas. This strengthens the skin's natural defense system. Step 24. Acne spot check. Identify active acne or inflamed areas. Avoid touching or picking. Clean handling prevents bacteria spread. Step 25. Spot treatment application. Apply acne treatment only where needed. Use a very small amount. Targeted care prevents over-drying healthy skin. Step 26. Resting pores. Pause for a few seconds. Let the product settle into the skin. This improves absorption and effectiveness. Step 27. Facial oil. Optional. If your skin is dry, apply 1 or 2 drops of facial oil. Press gently into the skin. Avoid heavy application on acne-prone areas. Step 28. Moisture lock massage. Using upward motions, massage the face lightly. This seals hydration and boosts blood flow. Relax and breathe slowly. Step 29. Lip care. Apply a nourishing lip balm. Healthy lips complete a well-rounded skincare routine. Hydration prevents cracking and dryness. Step 30. Under-eye cooling. Use a cooling eye gel or chilled spoon. Gently glide under the eyes. This helps reduce puffiness and fatigue. Step 31. Night cream or repair cream. If this is a nighttime routine, apply a night cream. Night product supports skin repair while you sleep. Use gentle upward strokes. Step 32. Facial stretching. Gently stretch facial muscles by smiling and relaxing. This helps release tightness built up during the day. Step 33. Breathing alignment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Relaxation supports healthy skin from within. Step 34. Avoid touching. Avoid touching your face after skincare. This keeps bacteria away and maintains product effectiveness. Step 33. Breathing alignment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale. Relaxation supports healthy skin from within. Step 34. Avoid touching. Avoid touching your face after skincare. This keeps bacteria away and maintains product effectiveness. Step 35. Clean tools. Wash brushes, sponges, or tools used. Clean tools prevent future breakouts and infections. Step 36. Pillow and environment care. Use a clean pillowcase. Your sleeping environment affects skin health more than you think. Step 37. Hydration reminder. Drink a glass of water. Hydration works both inside and outside the skin. Step 38. Consistency matters. Healthy skin comes from regular care. Results improve with patience and consistency. Step 39. Skin gratitude. Thank your skin for protecting you every day. Positive care builds positive results. Step 40. Routine completion. Your skincare routine is now complete. Your skin feels calm, clean, and refreshed. Rest well and let your skin renew naturally. Step 41. Skin cooling phase. Allow your skin to rest naturally for a few moments. Cooling helps reduce redness and calm sensitive areas. Do not apply anything during this short pause. Step 42. Light face patting. Using clean hands, gently pat your face. This improves circulation and helps products settle deeper. Avoid rubbing or dragging the skin. Step 43. Final moisture seal. If needed, apply a very thin layer of lightweight moisturizer. This locks in hydration without clogging pores. Less product is more effective at this stage. Step 44. Neck and collarbone care. Extend leftover product to the neck and collarbone. Use slow upward strokes. This area is often ignored but ages quickly.